I'm just here to show y'all what's up, YouTube. Showing y'all everything that's going on with this snow on I-80. Same place that big crash happened last week. This snow is real, but it's unreal. I'm out here riding, and just a couple miles back, it was snowing so hard you couldn't even see in front of you. You couldn't see 100 yards in front of you. Right now, you can see a little bit more. It's a little bit more visibility, but it's still dangerous out here. This is where them cars piled up in each other in those 40-something trucks, I believe, 40 or 50-something tractor trailers piled in each other out here. Right on this same highway. Now, I went to Utah last week right after the thing happened, and it wasn't snowing or anything like that. It was cold, but it wasn't snowing like now. It's just like a blizzard out here. It's just relentless. Since I started riding, it's been snowing. It hasn't stopped. So, yeah, I'm out here. And I just wanted you guys to see exactly how it is out here driving in this snow. It's very dangerous. It's pretty now, don't get me wrong. It looks good. It looks beautiful. The scenery and everything is beautiful. But when you look at the dangers of it, it's 31 degrees. There's black ice on the road. I done seen like 4 or 5 cars in the ditch, in the median, with police and tow trucks trying to get them out. It's real dangerous out here. You gotta be real careful when you're driving out here, because you get a patch of black ice and before you know it, you'll be out in a ditch or in the median, stuck and waiting on the tow truck to come and pull you out. If you ain't towed the truck completely up. So you have to watch out here. But I'm just giving y'all a little view of what it is, what's going on out here, as y'all can see. I think I'm in Iowa right now, or if I'm not in Iowa yet, I'm only a few miles away from it, coming out of Illinois.
Either of the 2 left lanes.
That's my GPS talking. But yeah, I don't really want to be by vehicles, because these little cars be losing control. They be losing control and sliding all over the place, and they can collect you right up with them, or run right into you after they lose control, and then you caught up in their accident. So I don't like really being around cars out here in this weather, in this snow and stuff like that, because it's easy for them to lose control. So I'm gonna try to get around this man right here. I really don't want to be around it, especially with that little trailer he got on the back. I definitely don't want to be around that. So hopefully I can get around him. Prayerfully, I can get around him. I ain't saying hopefully. I'm getting around him and get out of his way and get on down the road, go about my business, and let him stay back there and handle his business back there. 'Cause I don't like riding beside no vehicle like that. Either you ride behind me or you ride in front of me. So if anything happens, even if it happens in the front, I can have enough time to stop because I'm gonna keep my distance. Or if it happens behind me, then it's behind me. I ain't really gotta worry about that. But alongside of me, and you start skidding out of control, and it just take one turn, and you turn right into me, and now I'm out of control. Now we both in the ditch or in the median. I ain't no. I'll pass. But this morning when I started out, before I went and got this load, it was not like this. It was not snowing. It was chilly. It was like in the 40s, but it was not snowing. It was not raining. And then all of a sudden, all of that changed after I went. I delivered my load to the Pepsi place, and then after I left the Pepsi place, that's when everything changed. That's when everything changed. Like the weather got bad. It got colder. It started to rain at first. Like it started drizzling at first and raining, and then the next thing you know, it was like, I guess, hail, and then it went from hail to snow, and it's been doing that ever since. And I had to go 150 something miles to pick up my load. I went and picked up my load. It was snowing when I left, and it's been snowing ever since. I just hope it ain't snowing in Wyoming and Utah. That's where I gotta go. But first I gotta go to Colorado. I got 3 stops. 2 in Colorado and 1 in Salt Lake City. So yeah, that's the way it's going. And they got a weigh station up here. I don't know if it's open or not. Let me get around these cars so I can definitely get up there and get in the right lane, see if they're open. Even though I'm not heavy, they only loaded me with 26,000 pounds, so I'm not heavy at all. It's just when you have to go in the right, you have to be in the right lane. It's called a pre-pass. I guess they weigh your truck in motion, or x-ray the truck or whatever they're doing. But the weigh station is closed, as you can see. It's got that big closed light on it, as y'all can see. So I don't have to worry about stopping. I can just keep riding. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm getting ready to go to this truck stop on Iowa. It's called I-80 truck stop. It's the largest truck stop in the world. And that's where I'm getting ready to go at. I'm gonna take my 30-minute break right there, eat something right there, and then I'm gonna jump back on the highway and finish my shift. And then I'm gonna park at another truck stop somewhere else and go to sleep. That's the intentions anyway. That's what I intend to do. Prayerfully that'll happen that way. I pray that I don't have any other hiccups or obstacles in the way. The Most High always has angels dispatched out in front of me. So for the most part, everything usually goes smoothly for me because of that situation right there. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'll make another video when I get to this truck stop, which is about 25 miles away. I'm about 25 miles away from it. I'll make that video for you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and yeah, peace. I'm out.